एनपीएस न्यूज़ में आपका इस्तकबाल है। मैं हूं आपका दोस्त मोहम्मद जावेद। हम रखिए खबरों पे नज़र, आप रखिए खबरनामे पे नज़र।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाजरीन, एनपीएस न्यूज़ में आप सभी का खैर मकदम है। जिले में एक इंतहाई पेशावर एसपी रमन्ना कुमार और एडिशनल एसपी अशोक ने एडीजी ह्यूमन सेफ्टी शिखा गोयल के साथ संगा रेड्डी जिले के पुलिस अफसरान से बातचीत की। आइए जानते हैं इस खुसूस में मज़ीद तफसीलात। पेश है हमारे नुमाइंदे रिपोर्टर मोहम्मद जावेद की ये ख़ास रिपोर्ट। इसी तरह की मज़ीद खबरों से जुड़े रहने के लिए चैनल को यूट्यूब पर सब्सक्राइब करें, फेसबुक इंस्टाग्राम पर फॉलो करना ना भूलें।
కొత్త డిస్ట్రిక్ట్స్ కి బిల్డింగ్ చూడండి, ఒక భరోసా సెంటర్ లో చూడండి ఎంత మంచి బిల్డింగ్. 2.45 crores కి ఒక నాట్ ఫర్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ బట్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ కి ఒక స్మాల్ వింగ్ ఉంది, ఒక వన్ వర్టికల్ ఉంది, అండ్ 2.4 crore has been spent on that. ఇది ఎంత ఇది ఒకటే గర్వకారణం కాదు అంటే this is a thing we should think about it, that how much better atmosphere we are working now. So why I am telling all these things to all of you? When we are working in a better atmosphere, mana efficiency kuda it should improve. Outer. So only people go when they are in distress, when they are in crisis, and that is why your personal behavior is 80% what public requires, 20% professional behavior. And if you are good in your personal behavior with them, naturally 20% also you will be good. Within our reading, you will also agree.
All my officers, I thank sir for placing our occasion to inaugurate our process and this. The one was charged how our police can have to get the page and note raste. There is he did not write about any crime or any other issue. He was writing only about one aspect of it. It was left-wing extremism. So I'm lucky to state that I was with sir in the same district. Sir 92 law, he joined as ASP Sanga. Same time I was professional SI there. In 93 I was going